The journey of the 1000 LB Sisters cast has always been one of ups and downs, filled with emotional struggles, family drama, and deeply personal health battles that millions of fans have followed closely since the TLC reality series first aired. Among the most remarkable transformations to emerge from the show is the story of one star who has completely changed not only their appearance but also their outlook on life. After years of fighting obesity, life-threatening health scares, and public scrutiny, this beloved personality has now fulfilled the surprising dream that once seemed impossible, all thanks to their extraordinary weight loss transformation. Fans who have supported the star through every chapter of the series are calling this moment a triumph of determination, hope, and perseverance. The show 1000 LB Sisters initially introduced audiences to Amy Slayton and Tammy Slayton, siblings from Kentucky who were both facing significant challenges due to their weight. Their lives revolved around constant health issues, limited mobility, and the emotional pain of being judged by outsiders. WHO could not fully grasp the struggles they endured. Over the course of multiple seasons, viewers watched the sisters attempt weight loss surgeries, diet plans, exercise regimens, and even deal with personal relationships that either encouraged or hindered their progress. While the show often highlighted the humor and bond between the siblings, it never shied away from the serious dangers that came with weighing over 600 or even 700 pounds. This backdrop made every step toward progress not only inspiring but also life-saving. What makes this particular moment so special is the sheer scale of transformation and the way it has opened doors to a new chapter that was once unimaginable. The star in focus, who had previously admitted to losing hope about ever living a normal life, now finds themselves enjoying opportunities once believed would forever remain dreams. The fulfillment of this dream represents more than just personal success, it serves as a symbol of how perseverance can defy even the greatest odds. Fans across social media have been celebrating the milestone, sharing messages of encouragement and admiration, noting how the star has gone from a story of survival to one of victory. Before the transformation, the star's life was marked by limitations that most people take for granted. Simple activities such as walking short distances, shopping for clothes, traveling, or enjoying hobbies outside the home were often out of reach. Doctors frequently warned that without drastic changes, the consequences could be fatal. At the same time, critics often underestimated the emotional and psychological barriers tied to food addiction, stress, and long-standing habits. The 1000 LB Sisters star became a symbol of resilience precisely because they kept going, even when setbacks seemed overwhelming. The path was anything but smooth, with moments of regression, frustration, and heartbreak. Yet in the end, the star achieved something that stunned even those closest to them. The dream fulfilled after weight loss transformation is surprising to many because it did not directly revolve around fame, financial gain, or publicity. Instead, it was deeply personal, something that represented freedom and the ability to truly live. Sources close to the star revealed that this dream involved embracing activities that were once physically impossible, as well as pursuing passions that had long been on hold. For instance, traveling has been one of the biggest joys, as the star can now comfortably fit into airplane seats, explore destinations without mobility scooters, and experience the world in a way that once seemed like fantasy. For someone who had previously faced the daily reality of limited mobility, these experiences have been life-changing, providing a sense of independence and confidence that shines through every recent photo and update shared online. In addition to travel, fans were touched to learn that the star has also been able to explore career goals and personal passions that had been postponed for years. Weight loss has not only improved physical health but also mental well-being, offering the clarity and energy needed to pursue projects dedication. The journey has allowed them to step into new opportunities, whether through social media influence, collaborations, or even writing and speaking engagements. What once was a story defined by struggle is now being reshaped into one of inspiration. This new direction has motivated countless fans who are also dealing with weight challenges, showing them that it is never too late to rewrite their story. Equally important is the impact the transformation has had on relationships. Friends, family members, and even viewers who had once expressed concern are now expressing pride and admiration. The star has become a role model, not only to fans of the show but also within their personal circle, showing loved ones that change is possible with persistence. The joy of achieving personal milestones has also been accompanied by celebrations of moments like fitting into smaller clothes, enjoying outdoor activities, and taking photos that reflect a newfound glow of confidence. These seemingly small things carry enormous weight when they represent years of hard work and sacrifice. Of course, the journey is far from over. Doctors and trainers often emphasize that weight loss transformations are lifelong commitments. Maintaining progress requires ongoing discipline, regular checkups, and continued emotional support. The star has acknowledged this reality openly, sharing candid reflections with fans about the importance of not giving up even when challenges resurface. In doing so, they have remained relatable and authentic, never pretending that the process is easy. This honesty has only made their achievements more admirable. Fans have commented that the transparency helps break down unrealistic expectations about weight loss, instead showing the hard work and real effort it takes to keep moving forward. Social media has played a key role in this chapter of the journey. Every update, from candid selfies to clips of new activities, receives thousands of supportive comments. Fans constantly express how inspired they feel watching someone go from struggling with extreme obesity to living a dream life they once thought impossible. The online celebration reflects the bond that has been built between reality stars and their audiences, a bond that goes beyond entertainment. NB speaks to the shared human experience of resilience. The surprising dream fulfilled by the star is not only about personal freedom but also about giving hope to others. They have often spoken about wanting to use their platform to inspire change in other people's lives. The message is clear: if someone facing extreme weight challenges can take control of their health and achieve a new lease on life, then others can too. This ripple effect is perhaps one of the most profound legacies of the 1000lb Sisters journey. By showing vulnerability and determination on national television, the star has sparked conversations about health, body image, and the power of perseverance. As the show continues, fans eagerly anticipate what comes next. Will the star take on new adventures, expand into new career fields, or perhaps even inspire spin-offs that highlight their transformation? For now, the most important takeaway is the reminder that dreams can be achieved at any stage of life, regardless of how impossible they may seem at the beginning. NG. The fulfillment of this surprising dream after weight loss is not just a headline but a story of rebirth, a narrative of how determination can turn the darkest struggles into the brightest victories. The impact of this journey extends far beyond entertainment. It has inspired discussions within the medical community about the importance of accessible weight loss resources, sparked debates about how reality television portrays health struggles, and encouraged families facing similar issues to support each other in pursuit of change. While television cameras captured the dramatic milestones, the true victory lies in the everyday moments that fans may never see: the quiet confidence of waking up without pain, the joy of trying on clothes that fit, the laughter that comes from participating fully in life. These are the victories that define the star's surprising dream come true. Ultimately, the 1000lb Sisters star has proven that transformation is not only about the numbers on a scale but about reclaiming a life once thought lost. Through resilience, hard work, and the courage to share their journey publicly, they have gone from surviving to thriving. Their story is one of hope, showing that no matter how heavy the burden, both physically and emotionally, dreams can still be fulfilled. Fans will undoubtedly continue cheering them on as they embrace this new chapter, living proof that life after transformation can be bigger, brighter, and more fulfilling than ever imagined. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000lb's YouTube channel for more update news.